In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your sales tax with QuickBooks Online. Navigating through the process of managing and paying your sales tax can feel a bit daunting, but with QuickBooks Online, it really can be a breeze once you know what you're doing. Let's dive right into it. To begin, open up your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Over on the left panel, you'll see several tabs. Look for the one that says Taxes. This is your go-to spot for all things tax-related within QuickBooks. Clicking on this tab will take you to an overview of your tax information, where everything is organized in one convenient location. Once you're in the Taxes section, direct your attention to the Sales Tax tab. This is where you'll find a detailed list of the sales taxes you owe. It's a simple interface that allows you to clearly see what needs to be paid within a specified date range. One handy feature here is that you can change this date range to view and manage your tax obligations for different periods, ensuring that you're always on top of things. Now, if you wish to delve deeper into the details of your sales taxes, you can click on View Report. This will generate a comprehensive report for you, giving you insights into the numbers and helping you understand exactly how much you owe. It's a good practice to run this report regularly, because it provides transparency and clarity regarding your tax liabilities. Once you're ready to proceed with the payment, and after going over your report and ensuring that everything is accurate, you can go ahead and pay your taxes. Following your payment, you'll want to make sure everything is recorded properly in QuickBooks to keep your records up to date. To do this, look for the option that says Record Tax Payment. This is crucial because it ensures that your financial records are accurate, reflecting that you've settled the tax amount owed. After clicking Record Tax Payment, you'll be prompted to enter the necessary details of your payment. This includes all relevant payment information so that QuickBooks can reconcile everything correctly. Be thorough with this step, as inputting the correct details helps maintain the integrity of your records going forward. Once you've completed this step, you're all set. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. With QuickBooks Online, paying your sales tax is made significantly more manageable, allowing you to focus more on your business and less on administrative tasks. Remember, staying on top of your taxes not only helps you avoid potential penalties, but also contributes to smoother financial operations for your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.